Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope everyone is doing really good today. And as always, मैं आई हूँ कोई नया स्टाइलिंग वीडियो लेके और कुछ फन एक्टिविटी. So basically today I have thought of styling my brother's t-shirt और शर्ट, मेरे भाई का शर्ट या टी-शर्ट मैं स्टाइल करके देखूंगी कुछ अलग अलग पैटर्न्स में. I don't know how it will look also. If that will suit me or not, but I think it should look good because I love casual clothes and t-shirts और shirts उसमें अच्छे दिखते हैं. Just that it will be very bigger in size, so I'll have to manage that and adjust that. So yes, we'll first get the shirt or t-shirt, whatever bhai is giving. I have one on my mind. I'll ask him if he can give that one. So yes, we'll ask him. Anish, प्लीज़ गिव मी योर ब्लू चेकर्ड शर्ट और कोई अच्छा टी शर्ट होगा तो मिलेगा. कौन सा? ओके कूल. सो यस, वी गॉट दिस. नाउ दिस इज अ ब्लू चेकर्ड शर्ट. We will be styling this shirt and I'm sure this is going to look good. So yes, without wasting any more time, now let's get to the video. So the very first thing is to fold the sleeves because इतने बड़े sleeves है तो there is no option. So we can fold these till here and then start with the further things. So let's start. चाहे जिंदगी ऐसी जी तो चाहे जिंदगी है. So that's it. This is the first look. So what we did is we just folded ये जो बहुत बड़ा size का था, I just tucked it in my pant and now it looks really good and of my size और थोड़ा सा oversized दिखे. Still then it looks good because oversized shirts also look very cool on girls. So don't worry, it will look very nice. I think this looks quite good. इसका fold थोड़ा सा ठीक से करना पड़ेगा मुझे. Apart from that, this is the very first look as a casual girl. So you can wear it in your college and just to go around, hang around with your friends. Now let's get to the look number 2. So we will remove the shirt that we have tucked in और ये buttons भी निकाल सकते हैं. That depends upon you. So you already have a shirt or a t-shirt inside. Now if you want to create a cute look, just take this shirt and put a knot in a proper way. So yes, give a cute and casual kind of look again. So you can wear it whenever you're going to some outings or some fun activities. Sure, this will look very very cool and cute at the same time. I want to go on a trip and I don't have much clothes now, so I have just wore this black top and now I'll use this shirt and try it over here and make it look really very cool. So yes, I'm ready now. It looks good, right? For the next look, I'm turning this dress again into office wear. So it's the same type that we had done in the first one, just that in the first one हमने वो बहुत loose tuck in किया था. Now we are doing it properly in proper fitting so that it looks really good, and styling it with some formal shoes, right? Also, to add on, you can wear a blazer, style a blazer on this. I'll show you how that looks. Fold the sleeves of the blazer, take them up. You can also put this button. Yes. So that's how you can style it in professional way also. So for the next look, I'm using this belt. Now it's the same way as it was before. Tucks nikal do and keep it just normal, and just put a belt in between. So this is how it looks with this belt जो हमने यहाँ पे ऊपर पहना है, and it looks really very cute and simple and sober dress, and you can pair it up with some shorts, skirts, depending on how you can use your creative ways to style it more and more. I've used the same pant all over throughout the video. You can do it other ways also. So yes, that's how it looks with a belt in between. So yes, that's it for today. I hope you all loved this video, and if you did, do try styling yourself with your boyfriend's or your brother's shirt in the same way, and let me know in the comment section below how did you find this video. And if you love this video, you already know what you need to do is like, share और चैनल को सब्सक्राइब ज़रूर करना और बेल आइकन को दबाना, क्योंकि कई लोगों को नोटिफिकेशंस नहीं मिलते हैं जब भी मैं कोई वीडियो अपलोड करती हूँ. सो यू विल गेट द नोटिफिकेशंस और आप वीडियोस देख सकते हो. एंड येस, इन द कमेंट सेक्शन ये भी बताना कि और क्या क्या नए वीडियोस मैं अपलोड करूँ, and which will be beneficial or helpful to all of you. All right, now I'll take a leave. Thank you so much for watching this video. Bye bye, lots of love.